to our first culmination for this academic year.
We are very proud to say that the entire culmination and the frogs were decided by us children.
This will tell you how responsible we have become, at least in school,
If not at home,
Our teacher, Miss Padma, has been our guide and facilitator wherever we fell short or needed help.
hope you all will see through our faults and mistakes and will be able to see our hard work and how much we have gained during this learning and teaching phase and through this culmination.
We all of us definitely had a lot of fun and enjoyed preparing this for you.
And we hope you will also enjoy it.
Over to the universe.
This is our inquiry cycle.
Tuning in is done through brainstorming.
Finding out. This is done through books, internet, moms and dad's help. And of course, we have our teacher, Padma ma'am.
Sorting out. In this, we have to differentiate things, do checks, and do research, etc.
Thinking deeper. We can analyze and apply our knowledge. We also visited our bio lab.
Explain. Here we have had a guest lecture by Miss Jovila, who is specialist in the subject. She taught us about respiratory and nervous system. She is our bio teacher from the secondary section.
Action. Father and children participated in the fitness day, art of living. We learned how to breathe correctly. Our nurse, Miss Jean, gave us a lecture on hygiene.
Reflection. Reflection is done through paper and pen. We promise to change our eating habits. Over to my friend.
Importance of dramatization. What is the importance of dramatization during learning? A lot of self-confidence is developed through role play. Today, a person should be confident and should be able to speak in front of an audience. This is the need of the art that is developed during role play.
Apart from this, we learn how to adjust, communicate, coordinate, and to have a lot of patience.
Critical appreciation, another vital aspect, is well developed through role play. Teamwork, another significant aspect, is learned here subconsciously through fun and enjoyment. Over to Krisha. The books that are kept here are used as a reference materials. The other reference used material was PPT, internet, models from the lab.
Now we will present a skit to you. Rakshita is playing a role of a mother and Aryan is playing a role of a son, and I am the narrator.
Aryan, have you packed your bag?
Yes, Mom.
Aryan, have you brushed your teeth?
Yes, Mom.
Aryan, have you changed into your night clothes?
Yes, Mom.
Aryan!
Since morning, Mom has been after me. Aryan, have you done this? Aryan, have you done that? Aryan this, Aryan that, blah 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 blah. I had a very bad day. Even while playing, Sonu, my friend, chewed my brains. Even he wanted to do only what he thought was right. I'm very angry with everyone. I'm not going to listen to anyone anymore. I'm just going to sleep without brushing my teeth. Aryan has gone to bed without brushing his teeth. Aryan has gone to sleep in anger. Obviously, he will not be having any sweet dreams. And of course, he had a terrible one. In Aryan's dream, he could hear so many voices saying, I am the best. No, I am the best. 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 Who's the best? Why are you fighting?
Quiet. Aryan, we are the different systems from your body. And do you know, I am the respiratory system.
The respiratory system's main function is to allow gas exchanges with different parts of the body.
The organs of respiratory system are nose, pharynx, larynx,
Bronchi and lungs.
nose, The nose is the primary upper respiratory organ in which air enters through and exits out of the body. The nasal cavity traps bacteria and foreign particles which enter through the nose.
Pharynx. Pharynx is a tubular structure that allows air into the lungs through the mouth.
Larynx. From the pharynx, the air enters to the larynx, commonly called voice box. It is a pathway for the air to go to the lungs and a source of voice.
Bronchi. Bronchi allow the passage of the air into the lungs. Trachea. The trachea is made of a C-shaped cartilage that's divided into the left and the right bronchus.
Lungs. Lungs are spongy, air-filled organs located at both sides of the chest cavity. In each lung there are 30,000 bronchioles. So, respiration is the primary function of the lungs and the transfer of the oxygen found in the atmosphere into the bloodstream and the release of carbon dioxide into the air.
Oh, now I understood. If I don't breathe, I would die. So this system is the most important system.
Hey, wait, Aryan. First listen to us. We are the skeletal system. Do you know the four main organs of the skeleton system? The skull, the ribs, backbone and limbs. Skull. The skull is made up of 22 different bones and gives correct location to your eyes, nose, mouth and ears. 33 bones are joined together to make a backbone. Each bone is called vertebrae heads. Backbone is also called vertebral column. Ribs. It protects the spinal cord. It is also called spine. Ribs are cage-shaped bones which protect your heart and your lungs. There are two types of limbs, that are forelimbs and hind limbs. Hind limbs have 37 bones and forelimbs have 27 bones. Your forelimbs help you to pick up things, color, paint and do many other things. And your hind limbs help you to walk, kick, run, jog and do many other things. So Aryan, did you now understand? The skeletal system is the most important system.
Yeah. I think this system is the most important system. If I didn't have skeleton, I would be like a jelly.
Hey, wait, Aryan. We are the digestive system. Without it, you can't digest your food. Ishika, do you think Aryan knows the organs of the digestive system?
No, let us tell him.
Yeah.
Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine,
Liver, gallbladder, pancreas and rectum. Now we are going to tell you the digestion process.
First, we put food into our mouth and then the teeth chews the food. The saliva softens the food and the tongue pushes the food inside the esophagus.
The esophagus pushes our food inside the stomach.
The stomach produces acid, enzymes and many different types of digestive juices for better digestion.
The food goes in the small intestine which is 25 feet long.
The liver produces some juice called bile, which is a yellowish greenish color.
The large intestine removes the solid waste through the rectum and the anus. Aryan, so now you understand. Digestive system is the most important system.
Yeah. I think I've changed my mind. This system is the most important system. And do you know it takes 3 to 4 hours to digest our food?
Wait, Aryan. I am the circulatory system. Circulatory system is the most important system
In our whole body. If you would not have circulatory system, you would die. The 3 major parts of circulatory system is the heart, the lungs and the blood vessels.
The other name for circulatory system is cardiovascular system.
There are 3 types of blood vessels: veins, capillaries and arteries. Capillaries are very thin blood vessels which carry oxygenated blood. Veins are very fat blood vessels which carry oxygenated blood except one. Pulmonary vein.
Arteries are thick blood vessels which carries oxygenated blood except one, that is pulmonary artery. Heart has four chambers. At the right side, it has the right atrium, and below it, it has the right ventricle. The right atrium allows the deoxygenated blood to go through it to the lungs. The lungs remove carbon dioxide and fills oxygen. Then, the left ventricle the oxygenated blood goes through it to the left atrium, and then from there it goes to the different parts of the body.
Aryan, do you know your blood is made up of three cells? White blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells helps us to remove carbon dioxide from your cells and they send the carbon dioxide to your lungs. And they also help us to deliver oxygen to your cells.
White blood cells. White blood cells are like a personal army. They fight with germs and such diseases, and they eat germs. They protect you all from enemies.
Oh, when I had fever, a war was going inside me. I didn't know. Platelets helps us to remove wounds from our body. When we have wound, they repair. If we would not have platelets, we would bleed to death.
So, did you understand? I am the most important system.
Oh no, I am totally confused. Which system is the most important system? And do you know, I learnt in my school there are 4 blood groups. Group A, Group B, Group AB and Group O. I am Group O. Oh, hello Aryan. Don't be confused. Just listen to me. I am the nervous system. The nervous system controls all the actions of your body.
The nervous system is divided into two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of two parts, which are the brain and the spinal cord.
The brain is the major part of the nervous system. The peripheral nervous system consists of the nerves and neurons. The nerves that carry the information from the body to the brain are called sensory nerves, and the nerves that carry the actions from the brain to the body are called motor nerves.
The brain is made up of three parts, which are the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the medulla.
The cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. It helps us in our senses, thoughts, and imagination.
The cerebellum is known as the little brain. It controls our emotions, balance, and ability to learn new things. The medulla, also known as the brain stem. It controls our involuntary actions like digestion, breathing, and pumping blood.
So Aryan, did you now understand that the nervous system is the most important system? Oh, when I study, it's the brain who helps me in remembering. And do you know, brain is the boss of the body and boss is always right.
Wait, Aryan,
Did you forget us? I am the excretory system. Excretory system removes all the waste from our body. These wastes are chemicals that are toxic and can seriously hurt you or maybe kill you.
The other name for excretory system is the urinary system.
Parts of excretory system are
Kidneys, ureters, bladder, urethra.
the blood enters a special filter that is kidneys. As soon as the blood enters the kidneys, it is cleansed. Kidneys remove urea and sends it to your bladder for storage in the form of urine. It later, about 45 minutes, the kidneys filter all of the blood from your body.
Ureters. Ureters are two thin tubes which carries urine from the kidneys to the bladder.
Slowly, your bladder fills up with urine being produced by your kidneys. Essentially, you will feel a sensation telling your brain that now it is time to remove it from your body.
Urethra. Urethra is the tube which takes the urine from the bladder and sends it out of the body when you pee.
So Aryan, did you now understand that excretory system is the most important system? Yes. This system is also very important. So I conclude that you systems have to work together. It always was and is a teamwork. One system is dependent on the other system. All the systems have to work well for a body to function properly. Is it a dream? I better take care of myself. I'm off to brush my teeth. Now we are going to talk in French.
Welcome to the world of nutrition. Today, we are going to talk about fruits and vegetables in French.
Pour avoir la bonne santé in order to keep your health nice.
Marginal legumes, eat vegetables. Bois de l'eau, drink lots of water. Mangez les fruits, eat lots of fruits.
Where do you exercise? Do exercise.
Now we are going to present some proverbs for you. Les proverbs pour vous.
Live by être vous, les nutrition est cool. Don't be a fool, nutrition is cool.
Les pommes sont rouges, les bails sont bleus, les poires sont d'or et ils sont trop beaux pour vous. Apples are red, berries are blue, pears are sweet and they all are good for you.
Les fruits sont vraiment bien. Pour être sûr d'avoir une tranche. Fruits are real nice, so be sure to have a slice.
Point la malbouffe aux fruits, aux fruits. Give junk to the good and switch to fruit. Fruits et légumes sont beauté tableur and beauté santé saveur. Fruits and vegetables on your table make your health stable.
Now we are going to introduce you about some most important fruits and vegetables that we should eat every day. Les fruits les plus importants. La pomme, la banane, l'orange.
Les légumes les plus importants. La tomate, la carotte, les épinards.
Merci beaucoup.
Means
Means thank you very much. Fun time now. Are you all ready for it?
yes.
I'm going to divide you into two teams. The one will go on the other team and the two on the other team.
All the number ones on one side and number twos on the other side.
What did one guy say to the other?
Goes to team two.
This question goes to team 2.
Tick tick one.
Tick tick two. Tick tick three. Tick tick
You
four.
have an answer.
I can't see you.
No, you are incorrect.
Coordinator.
The question passes to team 1.
Adil, come on.
So the answer is something smells between us.
So we shall continue the game with nil scores. Nobody open their scores. Let's see if team who's opening it.
1.
Yes, let's see.
How many working parts does an eye have? Oh, this question is to team 1.
No, team 2.
No. Team one. Moving on.
Alright.
A lot.
It goes to which team?
Team 2.
Yeah.
Team
tell
2.
them.
Why is the nose tired?
It smells a lot. Is it right?
Incorrect.
Third question passes to team
Team
1.
1.
Tell.
No.
Okay. Niveda, pass.
The answer is because it keeps running all the day.
It's running.
Yes.
How many scents can a human nose detect? This question is for team 1.
Yes, give a number.
100.
100.
No, very less.
Very less. You are incorrect. Number
You girls, you just sit on the chair, both of you. Can't trust them sometimes.
Yes. Still less. 1,000 million.
Not guessing. Okay, let's have the right answer.
The answer is 1
Okay. We continue further. Yes. We have got an answer. Yo guys, we got an answer.
The answer is
Leg.
a leg. Yes.
So, we open the score with team 2. Now team 1 is charged.
Pivot joint. Pivot joint.
The joint which is in my neck.
Then he says,
The answer is
Pivot joint.
Yes.
so now they okay, this goes to team.
Why was the man running around the bed? Very easy. This question is
Come on, boy.
He wants you to sleep.
Oh, you missed a word. Guys, take it. She just missed a word.
The answer is
You didn't pass by that side.
this question passes to team 1.
Just add one word from
He wants to go to sleep.
All both is running. So what is that? Verb.
Okay, we got the answer from
He wants to catch the cats and thieves. He wants to catch
because he wants to.
the